thanks for watching. I'm just here showing you a quick tutorial on how I applied these press-on nails right before I went to, I don't know where I was going, but yeah, quick tutorial. Okay, so make sure your hands are clean before you start this process, of course. And please don't talk about my man hands. They're made for bopping. Let me know in the comment section below if you ever bopped somebody before. But buff all nails. Please buff all nails. Now we're just going to use the alcohol pad to remove the dust from the nail and also oil that's in the nail. And let's talk about how hard it is to stay in frame, or the fact that of trying to show someone something on the camera. I used to think y'all was exaggerating on here, but it's kind of hard. You just kind of forget. If you like me, if you forget, you'll forget that you even record. And you'll be all on the side of the table, not even showing your nails. Just put this out there. I learned to put on press-ons from when I was just putting on press-ons as a child. This might not even be right. This is just how I put on my press-ons. This is how I tell everybody else to put on their press-ons. If you have a better way, let me know, because I'm willing to try new things. This one came out crooked, but it's okay. I just use my other hand to give people the middle finger instead of using that one. But that Makartt glue, it dry out pretty fast. See, our camera, look, these look way better than me showing you on camera. Thank you for watching again. Subscribe, comment, like, do what you gotta do. Follow us on Instagram. Thank you.